What's going on, guys? Train number 123 has to train rock here again. Now we have train 950. First we had 920. Just listen to the rails humming. Shout out to my lovely dad. He likes to see the train as much as I do. This is what I do for a living. Well, there goes train 950, engine 421. Listen to that echo of the train as it crosses over, as it passes under the Roosevelt Bridge. Was a nice catch. Anyways, this has been train number 123, Hestic Trains Rock. And shout out to my dad and Miss Deborah. Miss Deborah, if you're watching this, and welcome to this, and hope you enjoy the second video that I've shown you today. May sound like I'm talking to you right now, but no, it's not me in your meeting. It's actually me in the video. Anyways, this has been train number 123 has to trains rock, and love you, Dad. Bye.